I wish to announce Parliament that the Honourable Speaker has received the determination of the Supreme Court in respect of the bill titled Sri Lanka Electricity Amendment, which was challenged in the Supreme Court in terms of Article 121(1) of the Constitution. In the said determination, the Supreme Court has summarized the constitutionality of the bill as follows. Clause 8(2) shall be amended suitably to provide that the members of the committee referred to therein shall be liable under the Anti-Corruption Act No. 9 of 2023. Clause 13(1)(c) is violative of Article 3 of the Constitution and requires to be passed by the special majority of Parliament and be approved by the people at a referendum. However, the said violation shall cease if this clause is amended as set out in the summary of the determination of the Supreme Court. Clause 13(1)(b) is vague and arbitrary, as it does not contain any provisions relating to the transfer of employees and their right as employees during the second stage of unbundling. Therefore, the clause is violative of Article 12(1) read with Article 14(1)(g) of the Constitution, and this clause shall only be passed by the special majority required under Article 84(2). The said violation shall, however, cease if this clause is amended as set out in the summary of the determination of the Supreme Court. Clause 13(2) is in violation of Articles 12(1) and 14(1)(g) of the Constitution. The said violation shall, however, cease if this clause is amended as set out in the summary of the determination of the Supreme Court. I order that the full determination of the Supreme Court be printed in the official report of today's proceedings of the House.